Well, it's Farm Science Review time. Here we are in the Bailey Building at the Farm Science Review grounds. The hubbub behind me is a wealth of potential students wandering through here, meeting folks from our various academic programs. As you know, for the audience in the college, we actually connect via a monthly webinar, and I thought taking advantage of this venue at the Farm Science Review would be a great opportunity to reinforce just how comprehensive the programs are from the College of Food, Ag, and Environmental Sciences. The Farm Science Review is arguably the nation's largest outreach event put on by a land-grant university. We reach well in excess of 120,000 people. Given that we were nearly at 50,000 yesterday as a starting point, I think this year will be a great attendance. We not only have the wealth of programs from the college displayed here throughout the grounds, both here on the main campus of the Farm Science Review, but also in our 600 acres of field demonstrations, but we have our partnerships displayed, whether it's with folks in the private sector at the various exhibit booths, or whether it's our colleagues from the College of Education and Human Ecology, the College of Veterinary Medicine, the College of Engineering, who are all part of what's going on here at this year's Farm Science Review. Given that we're here in the student building, and today is a big focus with a lot of school age audiences coming through, I wanted to take a moment to talk to one of our current college students. Mike Hannawald is an ag ambassador in the college, and I've got a few questions I want to direct to him. Well, Mike, here we are, day 2 of the Farm Science Review. Now, you're one of our current students, and so clearly you're skipping class to be here. Tell me what it is that's so important about your participation here at the Farm Science Review.
This is such a neat learning opportunity out here. It really takes what you're learning in the classroom and helps you see it in a very applied setting. Even though I am missing class today, I'm still going to be completing a class assignment by interviewing some vendors. I also had the opportunity to be out here with my dad yesterday to see it from a farmer's point of view. And then later on today, I'll be working with some student organizations on campus with some of our fundraising activities.
Well, you mentioned the exhibitors we have here. I've been telling folks the 606 exhibitors on the Farm Science Review grounds this year are all potential employers. How do you react to that?
That is very true. That's one of the other great things about coming out to Farm Science Review is I get to connect with companies and the individuals who work for them that are companies who I have worked for in the past through my internship experiences, and then also companies that could potentially be an employer. And it's a great opportunity for us to kind of, as students, to scope things out, see what some of these companies do, learn about them, so that in about a month from now when we go to the CFAES Career Expo, we have a better idea of which ones we want to target when we're looking for those jobs and internships.
Well, internships are an important part of the experience in our college. In fact, we require all of our students to have at least one internship in order to graduate. You mentioned that you've done an internship. Tell us a little bit about that.
I've actually had 2 internship experiences. I worked for, in the summer 2012 with Beck's Hybrids as a sales intern, and then I worked this past summer as an agronomy intern for True Point Cooperative. And both of them were amazing experiences. Once again, just like the reason I'm out here at Farm Science Review, to take what you're learning in the classroom and see it in a real-world applied setting. I can definitely say that it's so important because it reinforces what's learned in the classroom. When you learn about it in class and out of a textbook, and then you go to the field and actually see it in action, it helps to instill that in your mind, and it'll be a skill that I'll be able to carry with me into my future career.
As a current student, we've got a room full of prospective recruits to our college. It's just swarming with activity today. What are you going to be telling those high school juniors and seniors from your experiences at the College of Food, Ag, and Environmental Sciences?
One of the reasons I love being an ambassador for the college is to be able to come to events like this and talk to prospective students, because Ohio State has changed my life in so many ways, and it's opened up so many doors and new opportunities to me. And so I really hope that I can help to promote our college and help a lot of these prospective students to see the potential that they can, the potential of the type of person that they can grow into here at Ohio State and within the College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences. So I hope to share my experiences to inspire them to become a Buckeye themselves.
Well, whether it's our research excellence, our magnificent extension education programs, or, as we've seen here today, the students and prospective students that we can reach through our college, this is an absolutely incredible place to be. Ohio State is a world leader. The college is the capstone of Ohio State, and the Farm Science Review is one of our greatest opportunities to tell that story. Folks, it's all about your commitment to excellence and the products that you provide, whether it's new ideas or the ability to tell those stories from those new ideas. This past year has been incredible. I've learned a lot from all of you, and I really look forward to working with you as we move forward to really solve the world's most pressing problems.